Hello friends, I am Devraj and welcome back to my Ankaja art channel. Here I will explain and showing you the basic foundation of drawing, painting and sketching. In this first lesson, I will show you how to start the drawing and what is the main shape of the drawing which can we create. Please don't skip this video. Watch till end. This video will be very helpful for you. If you think this video is very helpful for you, then subscribe my channel and get more videos. Hit on the bell icon. In this first lesson, I am explaining about lines. Before we discuss lines, our main point is that the way we hold a pencil while writing and drawing is completely different. We probably hold the pencil this way when we write, but when we draw, we need to hold the pencil a little differently. So, how to hold the pencil? We will hold the pencil at a slight angle. It will be a little difficult at first, but with practice it will become easy to hold. So let's get started. At first we will draw a straight line and a curved line. All the pictures of the world stand on the straight line and curved lines. So, if we learn to draw these two lines very well, we will be able to master drawing very quickly. Using this, we will learn some geometric figures and shape drawings. These all types of shapes are the skeleton of the any pictures. Let's start practicing with the two basic shapes. The two main shapes are the square and the circle. Let's start practicing the pictures without lifting the pencil and using the eraser. Within this constant practice lies the key to success. If we practice this way among good pages, many pages may be wasted. So, what do? We will be constantly practicing these old newspapers. So, we have to keep practicing constantly. That we become a successful artist. If you like the video, be sure to like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching my video. I will come with new videos very soon. Till then, bye bye.